Remove the battery pack and secure the battery compartment cover in the open position. Use a H5 bit to remove the 2 screws securing the seat assembly. Pull the seat assembly back and remove it. Use a scissor to peel off the wire buckle. Use a H5 bit to remove the 2 screws securing the DC converter. Unplug the wire connector to remove the DC converter. Replace with a new converter and plug the wire connector. Tighten the 2 screws to secure the converter. Use the rubber tape and cable tie to secure the power cable. Tighten the 2 screws to secure the seat assembly. Close the battery compartment cover.